Are you looking for a beginner's guide on how to make kaimati at home, also known as puff puff, that will give you perfect result every time? Then I got you covered. So for this recipe, I'm using 4 cups of all-purpose wheat flour, 3.5 teaspoons of instant yeast. If you're using the other kind of yeast, you need to activate it before you add any other ingredients. And then 3/4 cup of sugar. I give it a quick mix. One and a half cups of warm milk, 3 tablespoons of room temperature yogurt, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Then I mixed everything up until I got a smooth butter. And now it is time to cover everything up with a cling film and a kitchen towel. I'm going to move it to a warm place for the yeast to activate. I'm expecting my dough to double in size. I'll put mine in the microwave and let it sit there for like 45 minutes. I went ahead and put my frying pan on the stove and then added some cooking oil. And while the oil was heating up, my dough is now done, and as you can see, it has already doubled in size. And then I'm giving it a quick mix so as to remove the excess air. And after the oil was heated up, it is now a good time for us to fry our kaimati or puff puff. And I'm using an ice cream scoop, which is giving a good result, as you can see. To make sure they are cooked through, I set my heat on medium. If the heat is too much, they will just darken on the outside and the inside is not done. And this batch is now done, and you can see how good they are looking, and they are equally delicious. And this is another style of dropping the dough in case you don't have an ice cream scooper. And finally, one more method. You just have to do what works for you. For this one, I'm dipping my metallic loud serving spoon in the hot oil, scoop up some hot cooking oil, adding some dough, let it cook a little bit until it's a little formed, and then drop it in the hot oil, and then repeat the process. And at this point, I want to kindly request you to help me grow this channel by subscribing. Then hit up the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. And until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.